Hello, it's Mr. Peary here. Welcome to today's phonics lesson. Today we will be talking about sight words, and you will be practicing spelling sight words. Just as a reminder, sight words are the words that cannot be tapped out and have some letters or a letter that does not play fair. Or it's usually a word or spelling pattern that I haven't taught you yet. For example, if we're looking at a word where the letter does not play fair, look at the word was. If you were to tap this word out, it would say wa, az, was. That a is actually saying so a in the word was is not playing fair. Another word that does not play fair would be something like the. If we look at the word the, it's an open syllable because the E is not closed in by anything. It's open at the end of the word. When a vowel is open, it makes its long sound, and it says, so this should say E, but it says in the word the. Another example of a sight word that teaches something that I haven't taught before because it's a common word, and there are many words that are used well before you know the syllable type. You know that number can be divided this way because when you have two vowels in each syllable, so one vowel in each syllable, and you look between the two, you would split between those two consonants. But if you look at the first syllable, it's a closed syllable because that U is closed in by that M, making the U say it's a short sound. And over here we have a different syllable type that you may not have seen before. Our controlled vowel, okay? So E followed by an R, you hear the sound of the R more than the E, it makes a different sound. Okay, so those are three examples of sight words and an explanation of what they are. Your job today is to get a piece of lined paper, and I'm going to be giving you some sight words to write on your paper. Pause the video, and once you have your paper, a pencil, and you've written your name and today's date on the top of the paper with sight word spelling practice as your title, get ready to write some of these words down. Okay, I'm going to start. Word one is full. The milk jug was full of milk. Full. Number two is pull. Please pull harder to open the door. Pull. Number three is pulled. Janice pulled the door to get it open. Pulled. Number four is push. Don't forget to push the lid on tight so the popcorn doesn't go stale. Push. Number five is pushed. Jenny pushed until the lid popped open. Pushed. Number six is month. We are in the month of April. Month. Number seven is first. The 1st of May is Friday. First. Number eight is new. I got a brand new bike for my birthday. New. Number nine is other. Do you have any other shoes you can wear? Other. Number 10 is another. Do you have another jacket that's heavier? Another. Number 11 is after. We went to Jenny's house after breakfast. After. Number 12 is over. My birthday party is over. Over. Number 13 is under. If you look under the cabinet, there's a cracker that you dropped. Under. Number 14 is down. Pull the shade down, it's too bright in here. Down. Number 15 is no. Do you know where Grandma's house is? No. Number 16 is new. I once knew a man that fixed shoes on Main Street. New. Number 17 is walk. Be sure to use the crosswalk to stay safe. Walk. Number 18 is talk. Raise your hand so that we know it's your turn to talk. Talk. Number 19 is today. Today is April 28th. Today. Number 20 is people. There are many people out walking today. People. Number 21 is through. Be sure to go through the gate to get to the garden. Through. Number 22 is throughout. There were many cherry blossoms throughout the field. Throughout. Number 23 is friend. I enjoy talking to my friend online. Friend. Number 24 is often. I often go to the park to relax. Often. Number 25 is called. Have you called your friend Marge lately? Called. Okay, be sure to check over your work. Make sure that you've written it so that I can read it when it's sent to me. Take a photo of it and you can send it to apiary@waterfordschools.org. I'll put that email address right in your classroom. All right, good luck.